In this video, we're going to show you how to download Overwatch 2 game on PC. To download the Overwatch 2 game on your PC, first, you need to download the Battle.net launcher. If you don't have the launcher yet, open up a web browser. Into the search box, type in Battle.net and search. Simply go ahead and click on this first link that says Battle.net, and then you'll end up in the official site. Click on the Download Battle.net button at the top right and select whether you'd like to download the launcher on your desktop or mobile. And you should be able to see the Battle.net setup exe file downloading at the top right. Once the download is completed, click on the Open File button and set up Battle.net. Once you have the Battle.net launcher installed on your PC, give it a click to open. Now, sign into Battle.net account using your email or phone and your password, or you can also log in using one of these options at the bottom. If you don't have a Battle.net account yet, click on Create a free Battle.net account and follow through the registration process. If you already have an account, simply log on. Once you are logged in, entering your credentials, you'll be able to see this interface. Now, go to the Games tab at the top and search for your game. Type in Overwatch 2 at the top right hand corner of the screen and search. Once you find Overwatch 2 in the search result, give it a click and click on the Play for Free button on the left hand side menu. Now, you can start the installation process. Select your folder location by clicking on Change Folder and choose the folder where you'd want the game to end up in, and after you are done, click on Select Folder. If you want to enable auto update for the app, make sure to check this little box at the bottom right in front of Enable Auto Update. If you want to create a desktop shortcut for the app, check this next box. If you don't want any of the service, you can uncheck the box. Finally, click on the Start Installation button and the Overwatch 2 game will now begin to download. You'll be able to see the progress at the bottom left of your Battle.net launcher. All you need to do now is to wait for the installation percentage to hit 100 and you'll be able to download Overwatch 2 on your PC. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.